This is a piece of 18 gauge cold rolled steel that we're going to use today to demonstrate principles of the donut dolly. We've added a blister here so we can have some damage to take out. I've got a profile template that I made up. We're going to check it against this line right here. And I also like putting Sharpie down the bottom edge here. It makes it a little easier job of seeing light coming through. Now this isn't 100% accurate, but it'll serve our purpose here. Anyhow, here's our regular donut dolly. I've seen guys use a piece of PVC pipe fittings, use a large socket. You just want something that's going to be approximately the size of your hammerhead or maybe a little bit bigger, depending on how accurate you are. This is what we're going to use today. This is a piece of 2-inch Schedule 40 aluminum, and we've just flattened the end and radius the edges so you don't have any sharp edges that's going to mark up your panel real bad. So just like in tuck shrinking, we're looking for the high spot. We want to bring down the high spot first. So we've got some irregularities here. We're going to look at addressing the high spots first. And the reason donut dollies work so much better than just your typical off dolly is you're supporting the dent completely around the perimeter. So as you hammer the excess metal in here, it supports it. It helps to capture it and shrink it back into itself. So we're going to go ahead and make some noise here, and we'll see if we can bring this dent down some. And again, I'm moving around a little bit. I'm just, as the panel comes down, I'm going to the next high spot. And you want to move your dolly around underneath to match where your hammer location is. And I'm not going to sit here and try to get that totally flat, but this kind of demonstrates how the donut dolly works. So give it a try. You might find it will help you out with some of your excess metal.